Aging. It's something we all face, yet what if we could slow it down or even reverse it? From ancient myths of the fountain of youth to groundbreaking scientific discoveries today, the quest to defy time is more real than ever. While we haven't found the secret to eternal youth, anti-aging science is advancing rapidly, offering new hope through genetic breakthroughs, stem cell research, and lifestyle changes. Can we truly turn back the clock? Let's dive into the exciting world of anti-aging science and uncover the future of staying young. The aging process. Before we dive into reversing aging, it's crucial to understand what happens to the body as it ages. Aging is not just about gray hair and wrinkles. It's a complex biological process that impacts every cell in the body. Essentially, aging is a gradual decline in cellular function, which affects the body's ability to repair itself, regenerate, and maintain homeostasis. Cellular senescence. As we age, our cells begin to lose their ability to divide properly and accumulate damage. Some cells even enter a state of senescence, where they stop dividing but don't die off. These senescent cells secrete chemicals that promote inflammation and contribute to the aging process. DNA damage. Every time a cell divides, its DNA is subject to wear and tear. Over time, this damage accumulates and leads to mutations, which can contribute to age-related diseases, including cancer. Mitochondrial decline. Mitochondria, the energy powerhouses of our cells, lose their efficiency as we age. This leads to decreased cellular energy production and increased oxidative stress, which damages cells and tissues. Telomere shortening. Telomeres are protective caps at the ends of chromosomes that shorten with each cell division. As telomeres shorten, cells lose their ability to divide properly, contributing to aging. These are just a few of the biological processes that underlie aging. But recent advances in biotechnology and medicine have opened up new possibilities for slowing down, or even reversing, these processes. Anti-aging research. Can we slow the clock? The first step in the fight against aging is understanding what we can do to slow it down. While we may not be able to completely reverse aging, many researchers believe that slowing down the process is within our reach. 1. Telomere extension and telomerase therapy. As mentioned earlier, one of the critical processes in aging is the shortening of telomeres. Telomeres act as the protective caps for chromosomes, and as they shorten, cells become less able to divide, which results in aging tissues. Scientists have been working on ways to extend these telomeres to promote longer cell division and rejuvenate aging tissues. One potential solution lies in telomerase, an enzyme that can rebuild telomeres. Telomerase is present in certain types of cells, such as stem cells, that can divide indefinitely. In 2009, scientists found that by activating the telomerase gene in human cells, they could extend the lifespan of the cells, allowing them to keep dividing and renewing. However, activating telomerase in human cells has risks, including the possibility of triggering cancerous growth. While telomere extension has shown promise in laboratory settings, it remains a complex and risky approach in practice. 2. Stem cell therapy and regenerative medicine. Stem cells are unique in that they can transform into a wide variety of other cell types. As we age, the body's ability to produce new stem cells decreases, limiting tissue regeneration. Stem cell therapy, which involves injecting or transplanting stem cells into damaged tissues, has the potential to rejuvenate aging organs and tissues. In the realm of anti-aging, stem cell research is one of the most promising fields. Some studies suggest that stem cell treatments could help regenerate skin, muscles, cartilage, and even organs, potentially reversing age-related damage. Stem cells may also help reduce inflammation and increase the body's natural repair mechanisms. One such study has already shown that stem cells could reverse some signs of skin aging in mice. and research into human stem cell therapies continues to grow. While stem cell therapy shows potential, it's still in the experimental phase, and long-term safety remains uncertain. Ethical concerns and regulation challenges also play a significant role in the slow pace of clinical trials. 3. Senolytics. Clearing out the old cells. Another exciting area of anti-aging research is targeting senescent cells, cells that stop dividing but don't die, leading to chronic inflammation and tissue dysfunction. These senescent cells accumulate as we age and have been linked to numerous age-related diseases, including heart disease, Alzheimer's, and arthritis. Researchers are working on developing senolytic drugs that could selectively target and remove these problematic cells. Early studies in animals have shown that clearing senescent cells can increase lifespan, improve physical function, and even reverse some aspects of aging. A few senolytic drugs have shown promise in human clinical trials, but more research is needed before they can be widely used. 4. Gene editing and CRISPR technology. Gene editing technologies, particularly CRISPR-Cas9, have revolutionized genetic research. CRISPR allows scientists to make precise alterations to DNA, which opens up the possibility of addressing the root causes of aging at the genetic level. For example, CRISPR has already been used in laboratory settings to repair DNA damage and restore the function of aging cells. While gene editing has the potential to treat genetic diseases that accelerate aging, it is still in its infancy when it comes to reversing aging itself. However, advancements are progressing rapidly, and it's likely that in the coming years we will see gene therapy move into clinical trials for age-related diseases. 5. Caloric restriction and anti-aging diets. While gene therapies and stem cells may seem like the future, there are still plenty of natural methods to slow aging. One well-studied approach is caloric restriction. Studies in animals have shown that reducing calorie intake without malnutrition can extend lifespan and reduce the risk of age-related diseases. In fact, caloric restriction has been shown to delay the onset of diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Humans are still in the early stages of studying caloric restriction, but early findings suggest that it might extend lifespan and health span in humans as well. However, the psychological and social challenges of maintaining such a diet are significant. Researchers are investigating alternatives, such as intermittent fasting and mimicking caloric restriction with drugs that activate similar cellular pathways. These methods aim to activate longevity genes without requiring extreme dietary restrictions. 6. The role of exercise and healthy lifestyle. While technological advances may one day provide solutions to aging, one of the most effective ways to slow the aging process right now is through lifestyle choices. Regular exercise, particularly strength training and aerobic exercises, has been shown to improve cardiovascular health, increase muscle mass, and enhance cognitive function, helping to reduce the physical signs of aging. Exercise is also thought to activate various longevity pathways, such as increasing the production of mitochondria, the energy-producing structures in cells, and improving insulin sensitivity. Regular physical activity can help reduce inflammation, improve sleep, and lower stress, all factors that contribute to aging. Beyond exercise, factors like adequate sleep, stress management, and a healthy diet, rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, can greatly influence the aging process. In fact, a Mediterranean diet, which focuses on plant-based foods, healthy fats, and lean proteins, has been linked to a longer lifespan. Can we reverse aging? The science of anti-aging has made impressive strides over the past few decades, but the truth is that we are still a long way from truly reversing aging. From gene editing and stem cell therapy to dietary modifications and exercise, we have several tools at our disposal to slow the aging process. But immortality remains a distant goal. That said, anti-aging science is rapidly advancing, and breakthroughs in biotechnology, regenerative medicine, and lifestyle research continue to offer new hope for extending not just life, but health. In the coming decades, it's likely we will see more effective anti-aging treatments that can dramatically extend our health span, and perhaps even make us rethink the way we approach aging itself. Until then, the best approach remains a combination of scientific curiosity, innovation, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle to live as long and as well as possible. If you found this video into anti-aging science fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on cutting-edge science, health, and the future of human longevity. What do you think? Will we ever truly reverse aging? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.